Okay, and today for something completely different, I have a lever lock, and this is a very basic lock. I've got two of them here, and they are brass cupboard locks by McCallum Australia. They each have 4 levers, but no security features to speak of. This would be the sort of thing you'd put in a cabinet at home. I wouldn't lock my house with it. So the way they work is they've got 4 levers, and the bottom of the key grabs the bolt and turns around, and they have this little window here which means you can actually see the bolt going through the gate as it opens. And of course, if you can see that, it would help a great deal in being able to pick the lock. So I've got the other one here, and I've put a little bit of tape over that window, and this is nicely working here. And so to tension it, we need to put something into that cam section of the bolt so that you can get some tension on it. And first we're going to lock it, because I've got it this way around. So we're going to find that tension there, and you can see there's a bit of movement on the bolt as I turn it. So that's tension. And then we've got just another homemade wire pick here. So the tensioner is 2mm. This is 1.5mm wire in here, and then we're just going to go down and turn these bolts. Heavy tension, because a bit like using a pin tumbler lock with standard drivers. There's really nothing to catch, so you just want to get those things through the gates. And then we're open. So, nothing particularly challenging there from a picking point of view. Let's have a look at the inside of this lock. Just these 3 little screws. It's actually quite nice having a nice simple lock for a change. And you can see in here 4 levers and a bolt, so I'll just take those out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can see just on the bolt there what's happening with the key. So when the key is inserted, it picks up the lever, puts it into the gate position, and then it grabs the bolt and moves it through, and saves it on the way back. So really quite a neat little mechanism. Fiddly getting these pieces out. Lever, that's the bolt assembly there. Housing. So a nice little lock, something a little bit different. might be moving on to some harder cam locks in the future, I hope. Thanks for watching.